Monkey Mischief just had another update. Can y'all swim in the water now? Cosmetics coming soon. Oh, I'm guessing you can swim. Can you swim? Jump, jump. I think he just died. I don't know if you can swim or not. Oh yeah, you can. Oh, oh yeah, baby! Monkey Mischief is back! Oh, that's the one with the open crate. Monkey, 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 monkey. Oh, Chimp Chase.
My game about this is what happened. Cause they actually deleted all the games data and all that.
Come
on, guys, let's go back to the ship.
No, I had to explore for the video. Okay, doesn't look like there's much, but this is 2 updates in 24 hours basically. So, that means update percentage. Update percentage. Huh. Weird. Woohoo! This is actually pretty cool. Any little Easter eggs? Ooh. Ooh. Dude, Monkey Mischief is the best. Grill Tag fan game. Is that a monkey dancing? I think it might be twerking. Yeah, I knew it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a gorilla. Oh, I just went flying through him. This is the original crate that people could actually land on. Let's see if anything changed to it. Nope, nope. Nothing. Oh, looks like the end of the world there. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3 crates. Why am I? Oh no. I think I'm. Yes, okay, I changed my course now. I don't think you can actually swim. Yeah, no, you can't. 1, 2, 3. Come on, man. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 islands. You can't actually swim, which is a wee bit sad, but otherwise I don't really care. This is actually pretty cool. Oh, they just Chimp Chase again also. Bruh. Bruh. Bah, bah, bah. Hey, wait, what's my name? What's my name? What's my name?
Quandale, hashtag 8444.
Alright, thank you.
What's my name?
Oh, your name is Mischief 9989. You can't change your name. They give it to you, and you're just stuck with it. I think I got a W name, by the way. Hey, can you help me make a thumbnail? Can you help me make a thumbnail?
Yes, sir.
Alright, can you do like this? Like pointing at me? Alright, here. Oh, frick, I'm recording. Here, wait, let me end the video. That's the end of the video.